welcome to BrickLab Academy. My name is Brad Charlton, and this is how we do a session. So our sessions are based on play sessions as well as the full creative workshop sessions. We tour sessions around to different locations, and this one is based in Cheadle, so to give you an example of what these sessions look like. So starting off at the front just here, we have a nice welcome in with some information about the business, as well as having one of the Brick Brothers on show when you enter. So part of the workshops as well, that we try and show a bit of Lego history. So we have a lot of parents and a lot of adults who do come with children. And this is sort of stuff from their childhood that they remember. So we've got the old Bricks and Pieces magazines. We have a little bit of history about some of the models we've got. We've got the large motorbike from the Lego Stunt series behind, a little Lego Pirate, as well as a old Lego Rolls Royce, and a bit of information about Legoland itself, as well as some information about me. Adults enjoy looking through, showing their kids what they had when they grew up, and it creates a nice bonding experience for them. So behind me we have thousands of Lego bricks. All of these bricks are at your disposal to build anything you like. So part of the creative workshop sessions, we do a workshop to start off with, and then it goes into our free build time where you get to build anything your heart desires. And then with our play sessions, you have two builds inside the play session. We give you a warm-up build, and then we go on to a big build that you present in front of everybody. So behind me, this is the sort of setup that we have. Setups do change per room, but it looks sort of like this, with the big screen behind and then the camera too. During the play sessions, when participants have built their build, they show it off in front of the camera and it looks good to the rest of the group. And it also allows them to talk about it, and it shows the creativity that goes into their build. And then during the workshop sessions, the workshop is built in front of the camera, so everyone joining in can build along with us. So hopefully this gives you an idea of what the BrickLab Academy workshops look like. We do a commercial event as well as schools. You can find them on the website. We also do events where we host them ourselves, very much like this one here, where you guys can buy tickets directly and come down and see us. We hope to see you guys soon.